Hi, I'm Robert Mink, Senior National Project Manager at Smart Source Rentals. With working from home becoming more prominent, we are all using video conference systems to communicate in the workplace. Like many out there, we sometimes use the equipment we have readily available, even if it's subpar. As you can see and hear now, this is not a great way to communicate with your target audience. To combat that, we offer our web presentation kits that provide several options for productions of any size. These kits offer upgraded equipment to enhance your video and audio experience, as you can see here. Even a little bit of extra lighting can make a huge impact. Achieve powerful results and maintain your relationship with your employees, clients, attendees, or any audience virtually. Our mobile presentation kits come in a single compact case, shipped direct to your location. Included in this kit is an iPad Pro, external directional microphone, and compact speaker, all mounted to a single desktop tripod. For our professional presentation kit, it too ships direct to your location in a single case, which includes a laptop, external keyboard and mouse, full HD webcam on a desktop tripod, and external condenser microphone. Don't cancel or delay your next meeting, conference, or seminar. With our web presentation kits, the show can still go on. They're compatible with any web conferencing platform you use, so get that high-quality broadcast-grade appearance for you to look and sound your best, from home or in office. In addition to helping you look and sound your best with the web presentation kit, our dedicated team of project managers and solutions architects can help you produce a high-quality broadcast-grade virtual or hybrid experience for you and your guests. Whether you're using our cloud-based streaming platform or another popular web conferencing option, we can create an on-brand experience with custom backgrounds, lower third graphics, and text with seamless transitions. Our team is here to support you every step of the way.